I recently had soil tests done on my flower beds. Results indicate high amounts of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Should I not fertilize this year, or is foliar fertilizer an option? Thanks, and this is Paul from Oxford, Mississippi.
Okay.
So what do you think about that? And it's, high nitrogen, we usually don't see that on a soil test.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
We definitely see, high phosphorus and potassium numbers. But what do you think about fertilizing?
I don't know. I'd probably hold off on fertilizing. I'm not sure, like you said, about the nitrogen.
Yeah.
I didn't know the soil test. Most of the ones that I've seen don't show nitrogen because it's water soluble.
Right.
So, but a low dose of liquid fertilizer wouldn't hurt. But I think he's going to get enough from the soil.
Yeah.
If it's reading high numbers on all of it, I would probably just halt and just apply some mulch and make sure it gets water adequately and let the plant take up some of those nutrients, and then maybe the following year do another soil test, see where you are,
that's what I was gonna say.
and add, because we don't want to over fertilize. There's a lot of
No.
consequences for
That's right.
polluting streams and stuff with over fertilizing. So for environmental reasons and for plant health reasons, I wouldn't. If he's got high numbers, I'd just leave it alone.
Yeah, I'll leave
What
it
do you
alone
think?
for a couple of seasons.
Yeah.
Just
A
let
couple
it be.
seasons.
Yeah, a couple of seasons. Because adding too much fertilizer, of course, you're going to tie those other nutrients in the soil. So I wouldn't add for a couple of seasons. Just kind of let it be.
Yeah.
And just go from there. Maybe add some organic matter.
Yeah,
Organic
compost is
material.
always good because that gives you other things that aren't found in the NP and K
right.
fertilizers.
That's right. So that's what I would do. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.